Hi and welcome back to Liana's kitchen. In this video I'm making a Mexican style flavoured rice in a Russell Hobbs rice cooker, but it can of course be made in any rice cooker or pan. So start by washing the rice. I'm using 360 grams of basmati rice and I add it directly to the rice cooker and wash it in the pot. So that works out enough for 4 generous portions of rice. I've used a little onion and chopped it up really small. Then add the onion straight in with the rice, followed by roughly 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. The flavourings that I'm using for this rice are ground cumin, smoked paprika and some chilli powder. Add these directly to the rice cooker too, followed by 700 millilitres of vegetable stock. Then give everything a good stir around until it's well mixed. Then put the lid on and switch the rice cooker on. The rice cooker will run until the rice has absorbed the water, which for this one I think took around 25 minutes. I did have a quick peek midway through to give it a little stir. I'm not sure if this is strictly necessary, but it did make me feel better. Before we check on the final results, did you know you can also find this recipe on my blog Liana's Kitchen? You will find all the pictures as well as the recipe that can be printed off if you want to do that. The full recipe is also in the description down below. Now back to the rice. Once the rice cooker switch flips, the rice should be ready. I tend to leave the rice in the rice cooker for about 5 to 10 minutes with the lid on before fluffing it up and serving it. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you end up making it, please let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.